we talk about right off the bat that there's no right way to do this. They're all going to look different. And so that kind of opens it up to a chance to take risks in a comfortable environment. So they know, all right, we might fail. It might not work, but here we go.
You see an opportunity for developing those skills as transferable skills to help them in the rest of this remote and digital stuff.
We know that they are sick of the computer and they don't want to do the digital. We hit science standards and we talked about leaves and photosynthesis, and then we asked them to go outside if they were able to and collect materials.
And share and like show us what you came up with, because some of the stuff that I've seen, I'm like, I would have never thought to use what they came up with, and it's great.
You can see that they use popsicle sticks and note cards. I like her little pillow.
I think for Hadley and I, we've really utilized Padlet.
And I always stress, hey, if you are just tired of listening to me or you need a break, just pause it.
I need you to let your kids rummage through your recycling and make a mess.
That's in there at all different reading levels. So they can go and read. There's a virtual field trip.
They're going to pull from their STEM class and say, like, I can solve this and we can fix this, guys. Come on, let's do this together.
Our kids are going to be those innovators and creators and problem solvers. And they're going to be the kids that come out of this resilient